Yo guys, what is up? What's going on? So quite often I get asked by passengers how I get my windshield to look like this. When I'm driving in the slushy or wet road conditions and the water spraying up onto my windshield, you can see that the water almost repels off and kind of beads up and kind of flies upwards off the windshield. So the way I do that is quite simple. First and foremost, I use this invisible glass windshield cleaner just to keep my windshield looking clean. And then more importantly, I use this stuff called Rain-X. Now there are quite a few windshield sealants and glass sealants out there, but this is literally like one of the cheaper ones and it works so well. I've used this for the entire life I've had this WRX for the past 2.5 years, and it's always done a really good job. I find this spray bottle works better than the bottle that looks like that, the aerosol one. So this, you have to apply it a particular way, and you need to use a nice glass microfiber. And today I'm going to show you guys how to apply it the right way so that it works for your car and repels the water like it does on mine. Alright guys, so here's my windshield. As you can see, I'm going to lift the wipers up and I've already cleaned it so it's looking nice and clean. Of course, that's really important. Next, you want to just spray this stuff on across the whole windshield basically. So try and reach over and get a good spray on just like that. And then take a nice glass cleaning microfiber. This is like a diamond hex weave glass microfiber. And we're gonna just kind of gently apply it on, going up and down like this. Get it across the whole windshield. And then crisscross it maybe. And then we're gonna go to the other side. Walk around and do the same exact technique. Now here's the important part. I think a lot of people just use this kind of cheaper Rain-X stuff and just spray it on and leave it, which is completely wrong. That'll actually do worse than what you want it to do. It'll actually mess up and make your whole windshield look really messy and kind of gross. You need to let it sit for like 5 minutes to kind of haze over. You'll see it kind of if you look in the right angle, but watch, we'll do it in the next 5 or so minutes. We're gonna let it sit. Alright, so now that you've let it sit for 5 minutes and kind of cure and haze over, it's a little bit tricky to see it, but it has done so. You want to take a different microfiber, a nice soft one, and essentially buff it off the same way you would a wax or a glaze or a sealant on your car's body. So you just go over it, you know, the same exact way basically. You're basically taking it off, like buffing it off, just like a wax. Alright guys, so that's the trick to sealing up your windshield and making it look something like this. It's a pretty simple process, as you can see. It literally takes 10 minutes or so to do, and you can do other sealants if you want, like the C-Quartz or Car Pro, whatever you want. Like I'm just using the cheap Rain-X stuff. It's literally the cheapest stuff I'm pretty sure you can get, but I've used that stuff since owning the WRX and it's always done a pretty good job, as you can see from the video footage. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, as always, leave a comment down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you're having a great day or night, whatever it is where you are.